boys, we taking over. We about to spit super hot fire. Yeah, let's get it. All living beings are made of cells. They contain different organelles with a lot of functions and different structures. It's one of a kind, there can be no other.
Mitochondria makes ATP. That just means more energy for you and me. The lysosomes clean up waste and recycle. They know they're the best, so they don't have a rival. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. If you need DNA, just give him a yell. The Golgi apparatus is like the UPS. Handles all your stuff so you don't have to stress. Vacuole's kind of like a bus. Transferring materials is something you can trust. The cell wall is rigid and it's tall. It's found in plants but not in animals.
All living beings are made of cells. They contain different organelles with a lot of functions and different structures. It's one of a kind, there can be no other.
The nuclear membrane protects the nucleus. Doing this job is what made it famous. The nucleolus makes proteins. Every day it carries out its routine. The rough ER has ribosomes attached, helping proteins get right on track. There's a jelly-like fluid called cytoplasm. It's so awesome that we can't even fathom. There's a bunch of prokaryotic cells. All that they lack is organelles. Eukaryotic, on the other hand, has a bunch of organelles that are very grand.
All living beings are made of cells. They contain different organelles with a lot of functions and different structures. It's one of a kind, there can be no other. The cell membrane controls things in and out. It always does its job without a single doubt. Free ribosomes are not found in your genes. They're found in the cell and they make proteins. Attached ribosomes are in the ER. They're stuck real tight so they don't go very far. The smooth ER makes membrane. It's serious about its job. It don't play no games. Centrioles, they help the cell divide. They make spindle fibers and they do it with pride. The central vacuole, it's like a storage space. It's in the plant cells and it holds material and waste. All living beings are made of cells. They contain different organelles with a lot of functions and different structures. It's one of a kind, there can be no other.
The contractile vacuole, it discharges water. It works so hard that it can't work harder. You know the chloroplasts, they're small and they're green. They help with photosynthesis, if you know what I mean. The cilia are like little bitty hairs. They help the cell move when they go anywhere. The flagella is like a little whip. It helps the cell move when it goes on a trip. The cytoskeleton holds the cell structure so that the cell can perform its functions. The nucleoid is prokaryotic. It holds the DNA so that things don't get chaotic.
All living beings are made of cells. They contain different organelles with a lot of functions and different structures. It's one of a kind, there can be no other.